Here's how to get filthy rich as a faceless affiliate marketer in 2026. And no, you do not need to build a massive following or spend thousands of dollars on software to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple faceless affiliate marketing system you can use in 2026 to build an audience, grow an email list, and create the potential for recurring monthly income using YouTube and AI. And if you're wondering who the heck is talking to you right now, I'm Cheryl. Well, technically, I'm Cheryl's AI avatar. Think of me as Cheryl, but without the bad hair days, camera anxiety, or needing to remember where I put my phone. If you're a busy person who wants to build an online income without becoming an influencer, you're exactly who this channel is for. And I've also created a free affiliate marketing 0 to 10,000 success roadmap that shows you the path from starting at zero to building your affiliate marketing business. You can grab that using the link below. But here's where this gets interesting. The biggest opportunity in 2026 isn't becoming famous. It's building a simple system that turns content into attention into email subscribers, and subscribers into customers. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Let's start with the first thing most people get completely wrong. You do not need to show your face. Think about it. When you're watching a YouTube video because you want to solve a problem, are you really thinking, I wonder what this creator's face looks like? Probably not. You're thinking, can this person help me? That's the game. And with AI, you can create videos using voiceovers, screen recordings, stock footage, animations, AI avatars, demonstrations, and other visual content without putting yourself in front of a camera. Your job isn't to become the celebrity. Your job is to become the guide, and that leads to the second myth. You don't need thousands of subscribers to make affiliate marketing work. A smaller audience with the right problem can be far more valuable than a huge audience that doesn't care about what you're offering. Imagine you have 1,000 people watching a video about random entertainment. Now imagine 1,000 people watching a video because they're actively searching for the best AI tools to help them make money online. Those audiences are completely different. The second audience has intent, and intent is what matters. So instead of obsessing over subscribers, create videos around problems people are already searching for. How to start affiliate marketing with no audience. Best AI tools for affiliate marketers. How to make YouTube videos without showing your face. How to build an email list from YouTube. Those videos can attract the exact people you want. But here's the part most beginners miss. Getting the viewer is only step one. You need somewhere to take them. That's where your email list comes in. Think of YouTube as the traffic source. Your free resource becomes the bridge, and your email list becomes the asset you actually control. For example, someone watches your video about starting affiliate marketing. You offer them your free affiliate marketing 0 to 10K success roadmap. They click, they join your email list. Now you can continue helping them with useful content, recommendations, tools, and affiliate offers. That's much more powerful than hoping someone remembers your YouTube channel tomorrow. And this is exactly why I don't want you building a complicated business. You need 4 simple pieces: content, a lead magnet, an email list, and relevant affiliate offers. That's it. You don't need 20 different platforms. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a giant team. And you definitely don't need to spend 6 months designing the perfect logo. You need a system you can actually repeat. There's one more myth we need to destroy. People think affiliate marketing is saturated, but think about how many new products, software tools, AI platforms, problems, and opportunities appear every single year. The market changes, which means the content opportunities change too. The mistake is trying to compete by making the same generic content everyone else is making. Instead, find a specific audience with a specific problem, then create useful content that helps them solve it. And AI makes this dramatically easier. AI can help you brainstorm topics, create outlines, write first drafts, generate scripts, create visuals, repurpose content, and even power your avatar. But here's the warning. Don't use AI to pump out soulless garbage. Use AI to help you communicate faster. Your ideas, your positioning, your examples, and your personality still matter. That's what makes the content feel human. And here's where I want you to think different. Don't build a business that requires you to work harder every single day just to keep it alive. Build a content system, create a video, turn that video into an email, turn the email into short form content, send people toward your lead magnet, then recommend products that genuinely solve the problem they're trying to solve. Now you've got a system instead of just a side hustle. And if you want the roadmap I mentioned earlier, grab the free Affiliate Marketing 0 to 10,000 Success Roadmap below. It'll give you the path to follow instead of trying to piece everything together yourself. So let's recap. You don't need to show your face. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to wait years before you start. And you don't need to become an influencer. You need the right audience, the right problem, useful content, an email list, and affiliate offers that actually make sense for that audience. That's the opportunity, not getting rich overnight. Building a simple system that can compound over time. Now that you've learned how to build a faceless affiliate marketing business, the next thing you'll want to learn is the other ways you can make money online without showing your face. Watch my next video, 5 Simple Ways Introverts Can Make Money Online in 2026. No face required. See you over there.